Welcome to Hamdule Industries, manufacturer and exporter of industrial boilers, pressure vessels, tanks, and chimneys. The company was established in 2011 at Pune. We have spread our wings to Southeast Asia, Middle East, and Africa. Forbes, Marshall and Thermix Limited are some of our elite clients, and we are backed by low maintenance and durability. We offer a vast range of air receivers, industrial strainers, and pipe manifolds. Our industrial tanks, chimneys, and piping are available at industry-leading prices. We offer copper tube tracing, boiler tubing, and industrial vessels that are acknowledged for their functionality. Industrial ducting, boiler installation, and repair services offered by us are extremely reliable. Along with that, we offer turnkey project utility system solutions that are widely acclaimed in the market. We also provide chimney for boiler and steam control system for manufacturer industry that are a class apart. To get the best deal in the vertical, log on at www.hamduleindustries.in.